Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to show you how to set the time on Panasonic microwave. The model number is NN-ST45KW. Once you plug it in, you'll see this. So what we're going to do is set the timer. That's the button on here. We press twice. You see one dot, press again, two dots. Now the time is 3:50. Okay, so set the time, that's 10 minutes, 3:50. 2, 3. Because it's a 24 clock, you have to do 15. 50. Then the minutes. That's that, then press timer again. Then that's set. Did you see the time changes? Next video, I'm going to do how to use this microwave, the basic function, because this sounds quite complicated to me. I will see you in the next video. Hope this is helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Bye.